Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I made an art related video, so I'm equally nervous and excited for it. And I'm finally, after 2 months, going to decorate it. There are a lot of new pictures I want to put here, so I'm going to do that before I get to that. But it is obviously going to be purple themed. And surprisingly, as obsessed I am with this color, I did not have any piece of clothing in that color, so I stole this from Archani's wardrobe. And वो ट्यूशन गई भी है तो she doesn't know it yet, but such a प्यारा color भाई, it really looks good on me. Archini, I'm sorry, but also I realized कि I'll have to record most of this video with my back camera वरना सब inverted दिखेगा. तो here's to recording from the back camera for the first time. I can't really figure out where to put the camera. I don't want to change all the pictures, I just want to reposition some of them. Little too much paint coming off. These are the new images. My printer kind of messed up. They're not really that bright, but I like the vintagey black and white thingy. See, I'm strong like that. If you can't tell already, I love my friends and family more than life. This song reminds me of Manvi and Grave, of course. Ruby! I think I should have enough stickers to cover all of this, so I'm back. I got a lot of stickers to put. So I'm a certified sticker addict and a sticker holder, but the thing is I also have sticker anxiety, so I end up collecting a lot of stickers, but I rarely end up using them. So the reason that I collect stickers more than I use them is because I feel like एक बार if I stick it somewhere I can't unstick it, and what if I end up wasting it because every sticker is too pretty to be used. But I read a post that said it is only wasted if you never use it. So I'm slowly trying to get in the habit of using more of the stickers and all the pretty things that I own instead of just collecting them. So baby step, I guess. I think I have almost 20 packs of these stickers, and this is genuinely the first time I'm using it. So wow, they are very thick. Too small. That's what she said. Sorry. My favorite girlies. We are halfway done. It's looking better than before, and now we can get started on it. But before that, firstly, if you can't tell already, since the last time I recorded a video, I got my hair colored. So it's time for a little snack break. I can't wait to open this and try these. इनको देखते ही मुझे इतना बढ़िया लगा था ना कि like wow. इसकी packaging is also so pretty. I got 2 boxes of these. One for me, one for someone I love. See, I'll have to be very careful opening these because if I get crumbs in my room, cheetiya aa jayegi and I don't want that. Ooh, more ASMR. They are broken very, very, like, the packaging is very nice, but could have been better clearly. टूटे हुए Okay, Slytherin टूटा हुआ है. Gryffindor is in pretty good condition. These look very nice. They look tasty also, so let's see. Food blogger बन जाती हूँ मैं. Oops. Okay, these are nice. These are really nice. Not kidding. You only get 5 biscuits. I have 2 Ravenclaw, 1 Hufflepuff, 1 Gryffindor, and 1 Slytherin. एक हाउस के 2 करने की जगह 5th में they could have made the Hogwarts वाला logo instead of repeating one, but see, every brand needs my creative advice at this point. Very pretty these are. I'm gonna save some for Archie for when she comes back from tuition. After all, कपड़े पहन के बैठी हूँ मैं. I think it was a limited edition thingy, but pure magic. If you can find them, you should get them. Worth a try, really. Wow. I'm going to put these out and go wash my hands, and then we'll start with this. See, 15 मिनट गैप करने के बाद आई रियलाइज कि मैंने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया था. तो जब मैं कैमरा ऑफ करने गई तो मैंने देखा कि कैमरा ऑन नहीं था. ओके, सो इतनी देर में क्या हुआ, ये फोटो यहाँ पे लगी हुई थी तो आई टुक देम ऑफ. आई एक्सप्लेन्ड some things. These are my friends from college. This is Mohika. I've known her 9 years. She's a gem of a person. This film strip thingy I got taken today. It was so fun. Like when I was younger, I used to watch Mr. Bean, the animated series. And उसमें I पहली बार saw the photo booth thing where Mr. Bean and his girlfriend goes in the photo booth and instantly ऐसे खचीक 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 4 वो ऐसे snapshot लेके instantly वो photo print हो जाती थी. And that was so fascinating कि I always wanted that and कभी मुझे ऐसे कुछ मिला नहीं somewhere to go do that. But लाइक कुछ महीने पहले आई फाउंड आउट कि हॉपअप में ये चीज़ होती है. तो जनवरी में आई वेंट देयर एंड आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट एवर फिल्म स्ट्रिप विद समवन आई लव एंड it was a very beautiful experience. Like I got to live that childhood Gitu wala dream. And then I went there today with my sister and my friends and their sisters, and it was a very fun day. So I'm going to use that somewhere. Very cool thing, by the way. If you are in Jaipur, go visit Hop Up. If not for anything, just for this. Just for this, it is worth it. Okay, Hop Up का ऐड नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. It was my first ever Polaroid from my first exhibition in the MUJ hostel, and it was a very special day for me. I'm never going to forget it, and just saying this always makes me very happy. So I want it somewhere in eyesight where I can keep seeing it. I'm going to be using the purple sheets from this pack. See, अभी निकाल के पता चल रहा है कि this is not actually purple. The only reason I got this pack was because I thought this color is purple. But of course I saw another pack जिसमें I saw another purple and let's just hope कि ये purple निकले. But साइड से सेम वैसा दिख रहा है जैसा वो दिख रहा था. तो आई एम काइंडा अफ्रेड कि ये भी ब्लू ही निकलेगा. एंड अगर ये ब्लू निकलेगा तो लेट्स जस्ट होप नहीं निकले. तो मैं 2 पैकेट्स उठा के लाई हूँ जस्ट फॉर वन कलर एंड वो कलर इसमें से निकला रहे हैं. व्हाट टू डू. आई एम थिंकिंग ये वीडियो यही अबैंडन कर देना चाहिए. वेट लेट मी गो चेक. Okay, so of course I had sheets in my color. Okay, I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to fold it because that is going to save me some time. The time being, I'm just going to flip it and stick it in. I really didn't intend for it to sound. Here we go, pin number 1. Wish me luck. Wow. Time for pin number 2. And time for pin number 3. I think I need to stop with my live commentary. Sheet number 2. Wow, ये बहुत ही परफेक्ट तरीके से गया. Now I'm going to just try and decorate it. Basically, जितने भी purple stationery okay गिर रहा है. I had मैं सब लेके आ गई हूँ. So let's get started. My पुराना वाला tape roller ran out. So unboxing the new one, and of course it is purple. Wait, I'm loving this. Wait, unboxing. Not aesthetic. Heart. Can you see a heart here? Wow, yaar. I really love when life is random that way, and I see hearts everywhere. Like in the randomest things मुझे हार्ट दिख जाते हैं. दीवार की सीलन में मुझे हार्ट दिख जाता है. प्याज काटते हुए मुझे हार्ट दिख जाते हैं. Very heart eyes only. So pretty. This is my top, by the way, guys. Gryffindor. Can you give me one piece, please? Oh my god, अरे one bite ही चाहिए था, पूरा नहीं चाहिए था. वापस दे दो. यार वीडियो यही रोकनी पड़ेगी. My phone is now at 65% and I've had my dinner and अब नींद आ रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. But I can't sleep before I finish this because my bed की हालत is like this. I really need to get me clothes in this color because tape. Oh. See, welcome to the first episode of Scrap and Yap. I thought of this name a long time ago, a very very long time ago, like 2-3 महीने पहले, and I was so mind blown because like I've never heard it कहीं पे भी पहले. I don't think any journaling club or anyone uses it, and it 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 is so perfect. Like it matches me and what I want to do so perfectly. Like so I've thought I'll be making more journaling content or scrapbooking content, and I'll be calling it Scrap and Yap with me. Hashtag Scrap and Yap with G. Yeah, whatever, but Scrap and Yap. So like I even have a vision of hosting journaling essay, like hosting journaling group sessions where a lot of people get together and we just sit and yap and scrap. So I that vision makes me feel very peaceful, and I can't wait for that day to come. But I'm very proud of myself for the Scrap and Yap name. Bye guys. इसको transition क्यों दे देना? Bye guys. Love you all. Okay, so like genuinely I'm so happy with the name Scrap and Yap. I have this video as proof कि पहले मैंने किया था, जब डालेगी तब डेट होगी उसमें, but अभी तो रजिस्टर कराने के लिए I'm not having enough funds. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel ताकि I get monetized and I can do a lot of shit I want to do. So anyway, welcome to the first episode of Scrap and Yap. where I'm going to be scrapping and yapping. I am going to start a journaling club soon, hopefully, but whenever I do, it is going to be named Scrap and Yap. I have whole ownership of the idea, the everything. I forgot कि बैक कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड करना था एंड तब पे फ्रंट कैमरा ही चल रहा है for no reason whatsoever. You know, please crop मत दो ना. Wow. ये हटाना I forgot. Pretty sure I'm going to regret not recording this with the back camera. This is like my sleep reward thing. My sleep schedule is very, very rawly messed up. So I want to get it fixed this month. I've been challenged to get it fixed this month. I decided to give it a try. I'll make a separate video on it because I think it's going to help others as well. I think essay it is fine. I made this from a pipe cleaner. I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to make flowers from pipe cleaners because they are very cute. The easiest way to put these papers on corners are fold it in half and then again fold it in half and then you get a perfect right angle and then you can just use dab dab dab. Okay. I think ये वीडियो मुझे इधर से रिकॉर्ड ऐसे करनी चाहिए थी. Okay, I believe this angle here is so much better and I am regretting not recording the entire video यहाँ से. बात तो मान लेनी चाहिए बैक कैमरा से ही रिकॉर्ड करना चाहिए था यहाँ तो. Oh shit, फोटोज लगानी थी. This is one of my favorite rolls of washi tape. इस स्टिकर के अंदर भी स्टिकर कट आउट है. I'm literally obsessed with the moon. Prettiest thing ever. Sticky notes and things like that. I'll write something. So my camera stopped recording mid video because 4 घंटे से I had been recording so no storage. But I'm done with this for now and I'm very happy with how this turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Scrap and Yap and thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave any reviews or criticisms in the comment box. I'd love to hear what you think.